Going, you guys? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at an advantage on the market. Today's ticker symbol that we're breaking down is Sundial, or SNDL, and I wasn't going to make any more videos today, you guys, but I had to. As soon as I seen Sundial, oh my goodness, you guys. So I predicted that it would literally hit this 92-cent level, you guys, exactly dead on. Probably a week or 2 weeks prior to today, you guys. This is exactly why I haven't been trading Sundial. Today would be a great buy opportunity, believe it or not, even though we're 7% down. But if you look where we're 7% down, you guys, if I zoom in and I show you the levels that we're at, so this is a highly tested level. This is a major level of support, you guys. So we have our candlestick. That's where we're currently at today, you guys. We're right on this support, like, I mean, dead on. We look to our left, we have this candlestick hit this level. This hammer stick candle, when we spiked, even came down to this level, and then we have two more on this side, and then the rest are on the opposite side working as resistance. And if we look back further, if we zoom out, because we stay on the daily time frame to see the overall direction of our stock, if we start from a smaller time frame, we won't be able to see the overall picture, and we'll be trading blind basically. So we look left over here, we have these candlesticks over here, and we can keep going back farther and farther, and these levels will still be tested, you guys. This is why these are called patterns. But as of right now, you guys, this would be a great buy. If you are watching this right now, I'm telling you, if you set your stop loss, remember, never get into a trade without stop loss, or even have a mental stop loss. You have a trading plan already set. You should already know where your target should be. You should already know where your entry should be, and you should already know where you're going to get out if things do go sour. So, like I said, have your stop loss below the 89-cent area, the 88-cent area, you guys. Put in your entry, and then have your first target to the previous highest point, which was that dip that we just had previously from the other day, which was at the $1.18. And if you're a core trader, obviously set this to the highest previous target, which was back up here in the $1.60, $1.70 area, you guys. I can't explain to you how amazing this is to see, just to see one of my predictions be not only accurate but dead on. I'm telling you guys. Watch my previous videos. Go check them out. This may actually help you guys in the future if you plan on trading. We apply technical analysis. We do sometimes apply fundamentals, but not always. But if you guys like my videos and how I break it down quickly and simply, please, 99% of you guys watching, don't hit that subscribe button. I beg you, please just hit that subscribe button for me, you guys, and hit this like video. And other than that, you guys, I hope you guys continue to watch my other videos, and I hope you guys have an amazing day.